Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's...
Hey, what's up guys, this is Shriyanshu. Today I'm gonna to show you how can you hack someone's WhatsApp account in just 2 seconds. So here we go. And guys, if you have don't subscribe my channel Electro Alert, so be alert and subscribe it, and also enable the notification bell by which you can notify new tech videos from my channel. So now you have to open Chrome browser in your phone and tap on the 3 dots and select the desktop website, and now tap on the search box and type web.whatsapp.com. I have already opened a tab in my phone, so I am showing you this. Here you will get a barcode or a QR code in your phone, so I am tapping on reload button. Here you can see that the QR code has been generated. So now the important thing of this video, take the phone which you want to hack. Assume that I want to hack this phone's WhatsApp. So open this phone's WhatsApp and tap on 3 dots and open WhatsApp web. And scan the QR code by the phone which you want to hack. I want right-handed phone to hack, so I am scanning the code. The code has been scanned, so there is no need in future this phone. So here you can see that the all messages, chats, conversation appeared in my other phone, and I can message by this. So guys, that was the trick by which you can hack anyone's WhatsApp in just 2 seconds. Thank you guys for watching my video. Hope you like my video. So don't forget to smash the like button below, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. And please subscribe my channel Electro Alert for more videos.
You make me feel so